Hi there. Today we'll be discussing how to prepare for IELTS to get 7 plus bands in under 30 minutes. My name is Sayyid Ali Hussain and I've done IELTS recently with 7.5 bands. I'm going to make this series very easy for you guys, and if you want to learn and know about IELTS, this video series is just for you guys. Trust me, it will help you a lot. So there are two types of IELTS generally. One is academic and the other one is general. The test centers and test types. There are two test centers in Pakistan. Uh, the Australian Education Office holds a lot of centers in Pakistan, and the British Council also holds a lot of centers. So these are the two main centers that are offering IELTS exams. Now there are two types. Either you can select a computer delivered IELTS or you can go for paper based IELTS. It's a lot easier to go for computer delivered IELTS. Academic IELTS is for those who want to study abroad at any university that requires English proficiency at any undergraduate and postgraduate level, and for those who want to join a professional organization. The general IELTS is for those who want to work abroad in an English speaking country or to immigrate. The layout of the IELTS exam is really very important to understand, because if you understand the layout, we will discuss in detail the listening, reading, writing, and speaking part in the later videos. So if you understand these layouts and the parts of the IELTS exam or the sections of the IELTS exams, you will be doing very well. So the layout of exam is that the listening and speaking test, they are on the exact same date for the academic and general IELTS, and there is no pass and fail criteria. Nowadays you can go for the complete four sections or four parts of the IELTS in a single day, and the score ranges from 1 to 9 in each four sections of the exam. There is no pass or fail. This is the band descriptor. You can pause the video and look for the band. Most of the universities, they require minimum 5.5 to 7.0 bands in IELTS. Now the next lectures will be on the listening part of the IELTS, the reading part of the IELTS, the writing part of the IELTS, and the speaking part of the IELTS. So stay tuned, and hopefully this video series is going to help you a lot. Thank you very much.